They spend all their life on social networking sites and just online games, and when they could really just be devoting their lives to Christ. And by the end of the night, I know that sometimes I'm even guilty of this. It's 10 o'clock and I'm exhausted. I want to go to bed. I wasted my time on the internet whenever I could really spend it doing daily devotions.
I've struggled with media overload. I've spent hours on a computer before, and then I've realized that I've wasted my whole day, and that, it's just a bunch of junk, going into my head. And it's very important to make sure that what's coming in is clean. But even too much of clean stuff can be bad.
If all you do is sit there and watch TV, then all you know is what happens in you don't know what goes on in real life, because all you know is what you see on TV, and then it's a script, you can write anything.
I know people these days spend a lot of time on their phones and on their computers, and spending too much time on the computer is really not healthy for you and it's not good for you. I think you should get out of the house and go out and actually meet people and hang out with them instead of just texting them all the time.